Have you ever wondered how Bitcoin or Ethereum is actually created? Is it really just magic internet money? Or is there real work happening behind the scenes? Today, in this complete beginner's guide, we'll explore crypto mining from scratch, step by step in the simplest way possible. What viewers will learn, checkmark. What crypto mining is, checkmark. How blockchain works, checkmark. Different types of mining, Bitcoin, Ethereum, etc. Checkmark. Mining hardware, software, and setup costs, profits, and risks. The future of mining in 2025 and beyond. 1. What is cryptocurrency mining? Definition of crypto mining: digital process of validating transactions. Analogy: mining gold versus mining crypto. Example: every 10 minutes Bitcoin creates a new block. Miners compete to solve a puzzle. Purpose: keeps blockchain secure plus decentralized. Do you think mining is still profitable in 2025? Stick around till the end, and we'll break down real examples. 2. Blockchain basics. What is a blockchain? A digital ledger shared across thousands of computers. How transactions are recorded. Blocks, hashes, and digital signatures explained simply. Why decentralization matters. Example story. If Alice sends Bitcoin to Bob, how does the blockchain confirm it? 3. Proof of work, POW. Explained. What is POW? Mining equals solving cryptographic puzzles. Hash functions explained, SHA-256 for Bitcoin. Difficulty adjustment, why puzzles get harder as more miners join. Block rewards and halving events. How often does Bitcoin have its rewards? 4. Types of mining. 1. CPU mining, early days of Bitcoin. 2. GPU mining, Ethereum boom, 2016 to 2021. 3. ASIC mining, specialized hardware for Bitcoin. 4. Cloud mining, renting power from companies. 5. Mining pools, why solo mining is rare today. 5. Mining hardware and software. Hardware explained, CPUs, GPUs, NVIDIA, AMD, ASICs, Bitmain, Antminer, What's Miner. Software explained, CG Miner, NiceHash, HiveOS. How to set up a wallet before starting mining. Electricity requirements and cooling systems. 6. Costs, profits, and risks. Cost breakdown, hardware, $1,000 to $10,000 plus. Electricity, kilowatt hours costs in USA versus Dubai versus India. Maintenance, profit calculators, NiceHash, what a mine. Risks, high power costs, hardware depreciation, government regulations, environmental concerns. 7. The future of mining transition to proof of stake. Ethereum moved already. Bitcoin's future mining rewards. Transaction fees only. Renewable energy plus green mining trend. AI plus cloud-based mining farms. Final thought, mining is not just about earning coins. It's about securing the future of decentralized money. If you're serious about mining, start small. Learn first before investing big money. Smash that like button, subscribe, and comment. Do you think Bitcoin mining will survive after 2040?